Hi, this is Linda with Crafty Music Maker for another recorder lesson. So grab your recorder and we're going to go over B-A-G again real quickly, and then I'm going to teach you a new note, E. All right? So let's go ahead and review our B-A-G. Remember, when you're playing your recorder, left hand goes on top, that back thumb goes on that back hole. You play with the pads of your fingers. You are breathing into the recorder, not blowing. And remember, every single note right now, I want you to tongue it. It's called articulation. So you're going to tongue every note, do or to. All right? Here we go. I threw a bit of hot cross buns in there. Let's go ahead and play hot cross buns a little slower first. Ready? Here we go. If you're new to recorder and that was a little tough for you, go back to my introduction to recorder video and you'll see on there how to play hot cross buns. Would you like to play a duet with me? Let's play hot crust buns as a duet. Before we do though, we need a tune. I'm going to play a B. I'm going to play it 3 times. And I want you to play a B with me. And if it does not sound right, I want you to change your air pressure. Make it a little higher air pressure to make the note go higher, or back off a little bit, lower the air pressure, and it will be flatter. So whatever works. If it sounds fine to you, then don't do anything. All right, so I'm going to play 3 B's in a row. You play with me, and each time, if it doesn't sound right, change somehow your breathing so that it will sound like we're together. If I sound great, you don't have to do anything. Play another B with me just for fun. All right, one more. Hopefully this time it'll work. Usually a beginner recorder player overblows, and so if you blow less, then it'll sound more in tune. All right, so I want you to play hot cross buns. I'm going to play right with you, and I'm just going to be playing a little bit higher than you and see how it sounds. All right, so remember it's B, A, G, B, A, G, 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 A, B, A, G. That's your part. Play it while I play mine. How'd that sound? Hopefully pretty good. Let's try it one more time. Hopefully that was fun for you. I love to play duets with other people, but it's kind of hard to, just have them around and say, hey, let's just do it right now. So this time you can pull me up anytime you want, day or night, and play a little duet with me. All right. Let's play one more BAG song, and my favorite is Claire de la Lune. So let's chin it first, and it's B, A, G, G, A, G, A, B, G, B, A, G, G, A, B, A, G. All right, let's play it together. Ready? Very nice. I promised you that we would learn a new note today, and that is going to be E. So the way you play E is thumb one, two, three on your left hand. And now this is the reason I told you in the other videos, at some point you're gonna have to put that right hand thumb below that fourth hole. Guess what? Your left hand pinky never plays. It just hangs around there, okay? What I don't want you to do is get it hooked under your recorder. That's a very bad habit. So you need to just let it hang out, and that's all it's doing. Now the right hand thumb goes under that fourth hole, and your first and second fingers are going to cover these two holes. And this is E. All right? Now, the more holes we cover, the less air is needed. Okay? So if you try and blow harder just because, oh gosh, all those holes are covered, it's not going to be very good for you. So just blow nice and lightly. So here's the E. This is what it sounds like. Just real gentle. All right? And we're going to go from G to E and back and forth, okay? But again, we have to put those two fingers down exactly at the same time, all right? You try it. My turn. Good. Now, I bring my fingers up quite a bit because I want you to really see what the fingerings are. But when you're playing, you don't need to bring your fingers up that much. Just this far is enough, okay? I'm doing this just to exaggerate. But you can just do this much. That works just fine. That way they're ready to play in a moment's notice. So let's go ahead and play a simplified version of Rain Rain. So let's chin it first. It's G, E, G, G, E, G, G, E, E, G, G, E. All right? Let's listen. Why don't you try it with me? Now, that is a simplified version. We do not go up to that A in the song that we usually know it. So listen to that with the A. Ah, you know that part, right? Okay, so we go G, E, G, G, E, G, G, E, A. So we have to lift up three fingers at one time. And then we go back to G, G, E. All right? Let's finger it one more time. G, E, G, G, E, G, G, E, A, G, G, E. All right? Just give it a shot. There you go. And if it's too hard for you, just stick with the G and the E right now. Forget the A, okay? Whatever's, makes you comfortable. So October is tomorrow when I'm shooting this video. And at the end of the month, of course, is Halloween. And so I have a song that I like to teach my fifth graders called There Was an Old Woman. And it's a perfect one for E and G, but there's also B, A, and G in it. Will you listen to the song? Kind kind of spooky, huh? All right. So this one's very easy. It's E, G, G, E, G, G, E, G. Try that much. E, G, G, E, G, G, E, G. Let's play it. Let's do it again. Now we're going to go add the A after that, okay? So we have E, G, G, E, G, G, E, G, A. All right, let's play that. Very good. Now, the tricky part. We have to go from A to E. Try that. One more time. Okay, let's start from the beginning. Good job. One more time. Now all we have to add is B, A, G, E. Let's try that. Again. All right, let's put the whole thing together. Here we go. And play it again. Wonderful. Well, thanks for joining me today. I loved playing with you, and I hope you had a good time. I hope you enjoyed that duet and the new note E, and you have a wonderful day and play on.